चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
A very good afternoon. It's 1 p.m. We are live and breaking from our newsroom. Our top focus, of course, remains the dastardly attack on pilgrims in Riyasi of JNK. We'll get you the details of the probe so far. First, the headlines.
नारायणा हॉस्पिटल में है और उनको देखने जा रहा हूँ। कल शाम को ही रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में प्रशासन और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के लोगों ने सबको रेस्क्यू किया था। ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन पुलिस, सीआरपीएफ और आर्मी ने लॉन्च किया हुआ। जो लोग भी इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं उनको निश्चित रूप से दंड मिले, उसका प्रयास हो रहा है। स्वयं अपनी टीम के साथ मौके पर हैं। सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता हमारी ये है कि जो घायल हैं उनको हर हाल में बचाया जाए। ये हम जानते हैं कि मौत का कोई मुआवजा नहीं होता है, फिर भी उनके परिजनों को एक सहायता के तौर पर 10 लाख रुपए जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन ने मजदूरों को और घायल लोगों को 50,000 रुपये देने का फैसला किया है। ये हम देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं। कल से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और गृहमंत्री ने भी मामले पर नजर बनाए हुए हैं। जो लोग भी जिम्मेदार हैं उन्हें बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। एक नापाक कोशिश हुई है कि जम्मू रीजन को भी किसी तरीके से तरमाल में लाया जाए और मुझे लगता है कि एक नापाक कोशिश है जिसे हर हाल में विफल किया जाए।
All right, so there you heard LG Manoj Sinha saying that the terror attack will be avenged. All of this happening when note 10 pilgrims now have lost their lives in this dastardly attack which was carried out by the terrorists yesterday, in which the terrorists ambushed this bus that was returning from Katra. We understand that the team, the National Investigation Team, has already reached at the terror attack site while the probe is ongoing, and the NI officials are probing the role of these Pakistan terrorists. The families have been grieving the loss of their near and dear ones. We'll even play out the testimonies of the families of the victims who've lost their lives in this cowardly attack. But all said and done, 10 people having been killed in this cowardly attack with no fault of theirs. As we speak, there is, of course, a lot of anger that's being seen on the ground, with JNK rising together, demanding action against terror-baiter Pakistan. Let's go across to Arawat, who's joining us live. He's been outside that hospital where the victims are being treated. Arawat, you've been speaking to the victims' families. Talk to us about the number of those injured. While the death toll has, of course, risen to 10 now, what is the status of the health of at least 30 others who've been injured?
Yeah, absolutely. We have seen just a while ago LG Manoj Sinha has reached the hospital and he has checked all the arrangements there, the facility of the patients there who are undergo at the GMC Jammu, where the treatment is being done by, in fact, District Administration Jammu is monitoring closely all the arrangements, all the possibility help for these injured persons in GMC Jammu and other hospitals across the Jammu. In fact, LG Manoj Sinha has just arrived at the GMC Jammu. In fact, other top officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police and other district administration are also part of the visit, which is still underway at the GMC Jammu. In fact, if we'll talk about this incident that happened yesterday evening in the Riyasi, after that we have seen the multiple protesters. In fact, in the Jammu and Kashmir, a while ago the protest was held here in the Jammu. They are demanding to justice for the culprits. In fact, we have also spoke to the family members of these individuals who are the victim of yesterday's terror attack that took place yesterday. In fact, they want justice at the earliest. Yes.